Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11, step by step. Let's begin. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type Oracle VirtualBox and press Enter. Now you'll see the search results. The official website from Oracle usually appears as the second result, not the first. Look for the link that says VirtualBox Virtualization with the domain oracle.com. Click on it. This will take you to the official VirtualBox homepage. Once the website opens, you'll see the Oracle VM VirtualBox homepage. There is a button labeled as Download Oracle VirtualBox. This will redirect to the Downloads page. You will find two columns. On the left column, you will see the first option, Windows hosts. Below that, macOS, Linux, Solaris, etc. Since we're installing on Windows 11, click on Windows Installer in front of it. Choose the download location and click Save button. As soon as you click it, the .exe installer file will start downloading. After the download completes, open your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer executable file. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next. On this screen, accept the license agreement. Now you will see the custom setup screen. You can leave everything as default. It includes VirtualBox application, USB support, networking components, shortcut options. You can accept the default location, or if you want to the location, click on Browse. And then click Next again. You may see a network warning. Installing VirtualBox will reset your network connection. This is normal. Click Yes to continue. On this screen, check the boxes according to your need. It includes shortcuts creation. VirtualBox will now install all required components. When the installation completes, check the box that says Launch Oracle VM VirtualBox and then click Finish. VirtualBox will now open automatically. Your installation is complete and fully ready to use. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your first virtual machine inside VirtualBox. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.